Creating your Zelle account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can create your Zelle account. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to follow these instructions. First things first, open your banking app and then locate and select Zelle. Now you just have to enroll your bank account with Zelle in order to make or receive payments from Zelle. So what you have to do is you just have to enter your email or phone number. You just have to verify your information. It will also include your bank details such as debit or credit card. Now, as you guys can see, after verifying the information, link your bank account. So, in order to link the account, you have to download the Zelle app if your bank doesn't support Zelle. Now, open the Zelle app and tap on Get Started. Now, enter your phone number and email address, get a profile, and link a debit card. Once your debit card is linked, you just have to, verify your account. Once it is verified, you can easily use Zelle to send or receive money. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.